Knoebels. Here we go. Man, this thing flies. So there are two lift hills with twister here. There's actually two lift hills, however they work on the same chain, which is crazy. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Honey, look, it's your favorite drop tower.
You're so funny.
Get the pool empty, nice fall day. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Oh. Look at the campground down there. Whoa! Oh! Oh! And whoa! Oh my God! The head chopper. Oh! Twister, twist. Oh! Whoa! And down. Whoa! Oh, it's so bumpy. Whoa! And a tunnel. Oh! 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 Oh man! That's a good ride. It's a very good ride. Whew.